How you've used machine learning at home or in school may differ to how it's used within the workplace. Maybe you've participated in a Kaggle model competition to practice your machine learning skills. Or maybe you've used machine learning algorithms to determine the best model for your academic research. For these examples, only complete the first two components of the machine learning workflow. Specifically, they end once the most ideal model is determined based on performance measures. This differs from workplace usage because deployment is typically a critical part of machine learning in the workplace. Now, there are cases where deployment is included in personal and academic usage. For example, an academic research group has developed a model that predicts the location's risk of mosquito-borne illness with high accuracy rates. Because of the high accuracy rates, these researchers received additional funding to build and maintain a web application that deploys their model. In this way, deployment of this web application can be used by health and government officials to prevent mosquito-borne illness epidemics. For an example of personal usage deployment, you decide to create a smartphone application. Imagine you're creating a Magic 8-Ball application that provides the user with yes, no, or ask again answers to questions they ask the application. Suppose you design this application so instead of providing a random answer, the application asks the user a series of questions to determine the user's mood using sentiment analysis. Based upon their mood, your application provides the user with an answer to their question. In the workplace, it's quite common to use deployment with the machine learning workflow. Machine learning models are used within an organization's web or software applications for activities like fraud detection, recommender systems, risk assessment, or facial recognition. Each of these activities require new inputs to make a prediction based upon the deployed model. The organization will want to monitor and update their deployed model to make sure it provides the best predictions over time. Now that we've learned how machine learning can differ when it's used in the workplace, we'll focus on deployment for the rest of this lesson.